Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up your appointment booking WordPress plugin, which will help you to enter your events, appointments, and many more things into your calendar on your website. So first of all, you want to go ahead to plugins and click add a new plugin. And right there, you want to go ahead and search for appointment. And after that, you will find a lot of plugins which you can install. For example, this one is really great, but it needs a lot of upgrades and it costs some subscription. And without that subscription, you cannot do much. There's also this one and this one, which are really popular. But for today, we're going to use Easy Appointments. This is a great tool which you can use for your website. Once you install it, click Activate. And now you want to go ahead to your plugins and find that Easy Appointments. And now you will find it here on your dashboard. Now you want to click on Easy Appointments right there and add your locations first. You can go ahead and click Add Location. And now you can enter name, address, and location. There's no requirement, I believe, to enter all of these. So I just wrote those tests and you can save it. And just like that, now you have a location. Now, if you want to accept your bookings on different locations, you want to go ahead and add another one. And basically you will have few locations here. Now, after you enter your locations, you want to enter your services. So here you will need to enter a name, duration. You can also enter the price, but it's not necessary. And also you will choose some type of color. So let's enter some name. So for example, let's write down bridal makeup, duration in minutes, something like so, slot step, block after, before, daily limit, and the price. You can enter the price if you want, but it's not necessary. I'm not sure. Let's leave it like so. And now you can also click the color and you can save it. And like that, you just can add all of these services. You can also you can leave the price blank. Now, once you will enter all of your services, you want to go ahead to employees. If you have employees and you want to add them here, you will need their email, phone, description, and name, where you need to add, and basically if you want their customers to book with them. Now, after that, you go to connections. Now, the connections are if you have, for example, few employees, and now you will need to choose the worker and the location they work at, the services that they have. You can actually add all of them. For example, if you're working alone, that's fine. But if not, you will need to do this for every single worker. What services, where they work, number of slots, days of the week when they are working. For example, only 3 days a week. And now you will also need to enter a date range when this connection is going to be active for. So for example, let's make it until the end of summer, and the start time is working, yes. And now you're going to save it and you will see this connection here. Now, if you will have more employees, not only yourself, you will need to add them separately and just be careful not to mix everything up. Now, after you have done this, you can go ahead to the tools section. And from here, you can see that you can enter the test email and see how it looks like. But what you will also want to do is go ahead to settings. This is the general settings, and this is mail notification. So you want to go ahead and set up your mails. So this is the available tags, and basically you can enter the mail, which is the pending, reservation, canceled, confirmed, and admin. So you want to go ahead and enter those emails here. You want to go ahead and use those tags. So for example, worker email or worker name at least, and basically just enter it like so. Your confirmation is pending with and worker name, and with which worker they have booked, they will see their name here. And basically you just configure this email, all of these emails here, and then you can also choose these options. Now you're gonna save it, and now you can go ahead on money format and you can choose the currency from here. So you just enter it, currency before the price, hide price in service select, or just hide the price overall. So we can just check on this mark and save it, and now the customers will not see the price if you want to do this. Now there's also GDPR, which you may want to go ahead and set up, and also this is the full calendar shortcut. So you can allow public to access a full calendar shortcut. You can show event content in pop-up and event content in pop-up. This is how it will look like. Now, once you set up everything here, you can go ahead to your pages or to your post. And for example, let's go now to your home page. And now you will need to enter your shortcode. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add. Here you will try to find the shortcode. Here it is. You want to click on it. Now I edit with Elementor, so I just added the shortcode right there. And now you need to enter your shortcode, which you can find in this article. If you want to display a basic one-column form, you can enter this shortcode. If you want to create a two-column form, which looks way better, you want to enter this one. So let's go ahead, enter it here. And let's look how it looks like. Now you can also do this with a WordPress editor, so let's go and do that. So you just click right there, write down shortcode, and here you can now enter the shortcode, just like so. And let's update it. And now once you go to your website, you will see all of this. You can choose a service, a date, and after that you can choose a time. Of course, we didn't set up time correctly, but the person can choose a time. They enter their email, name, phone, description, and some booking overview, and they submit it. So that's basically it. That's how you set up your events and appointment booking with this plugin. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.